Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning class. So, children, our second chapter is going on, that is addition, and we have done question number 1 of exercise 2a. Today we will do question number 2. So, children, let's see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is write the missing numbers in the space provided. So, what we have to do in this question, you can see the questions are given here and some places are missing. So, we have to write the missing digit in the blanks. So, how we will solve this question? We will see a logic to solve these types of questions. Okay, we all know that this one is addend and this one is first addend and this one is second addend, and when we add both the addends, what we get? Sum. So this is the sum. So the sum always should be greater than the addends and the addend should be always less than the sum. क्या होता है कि जो addends होते हैं और जो sum होते हैं, तो sum जो है वो दोनों एडेंड्स को ऐड करके आता है. सो जो सम होगा वो दोनों एडेंड से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि दोनों ऐड करके आ रहे हैं, तो ऐड करके ऑब्वियसली द आंसर विल बी ग्रेटर, सम विल बी ग्रेटर. और जो एडेंड्स है वो हमेशा छोटा होना चाहिए सम से. लेकिन इन दिस क्वेश्चन, इन दिस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट द लॉजिक वी try is, you can see first question, first addend is missing at the place of ones and second in the place of ones, second addend is 9. So children, an answer is given 8. Okay, so 9 is greater than 8. So what we do? We considered 8 as 18. जब हमारे पास addend बड़ा होता है और सम छोटा होता है, तो क्या होता है कि जो सम है उसको हम उससे बड़ा मानते हैं. जैसे कि 8 इज गिवन, सो वी विल कंसीडर 8 एज 18. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू? काउंट. वी विल काउंट आफ्टर 9 टिल द 18 कम्स. हम 9 में तब तक ऐड करते रहेंगे वो नंबर्स जब तक कि 18 आंसर ना आ जाए. So after 9, what we will count? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many times we have counted? 9 times we have counted. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So we will write here 9. Clear? 9 plus 9 is 18. We have written 8 here and we will give this carry to 4. Now 4 is given, 2 is given, is the 2 is the sum and बीच में it is missing. So 4 plus 1 carry is 5 already. Now again 4 is greater than 2. So what we will do? We will consider 2 as 12. Okay, 2 is considered as 12. So we will count after 5 till 12 comes. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many times we have counted? 7 times. So we will write here 7. 4 plus 7 is 11 and 1 carry is 12. So we will write 2 here and we will give carry 1, 2, 3. Now these both addends are given, so simply we add 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 1 carry is 5. Now again at the place of 1000, what is missing? This addend is missing and 3 is less than 5. So we considered 5 as 5 only. जब addend छोटा होता है सम से तो हम उसे बड़ा नहीं समझते, हम 5 को 5 ही कंसीडर करते हैं. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल add, we will count after 3 till the 5 comes. So after 3, 4, 4, 5. So only 2. We will write here 2. 2 plus 3, 5 it is. And 1 plus 1, 2. Clear? Now let's see second question. Here also 9 is greater than 4. So we will consider 4 as 14. And we will count after 9 till 14 comes. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 times we have counted. We will write here 5. And 5 plus 9 is 14. So we have written 4 here and we have given 1 to 0. So children, you can see 0 is given and 9 is the answer. So 1 carry is there. So we will write here 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Again 0 plus 1 is 0. Now 4 is less than 7. So we will consider 7 as 7 only. And we will add 4 to 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 1 is smaller than 4. So we will consider 4 as 4 and after 1 we will count till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. So we will write here 3. Clear? Third question is 3 is given and 2 is given. So 3 is greater than 2. So we will count after 3 till the 12 comes because we have considered 2 as 12. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 comes. Answer will be 9 here. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 we will write here. 1 we will give carry to 1. Now 9 is the answer here and 1 is one addend. One of the addend. So after 1 we will count till 9. 1 carry is also there. So 2 after 2 we will count till 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 comes. We will write here 7. 7, 8 and 9. Now again 2 is less than 3. So we will consider 3 as 3 only and after 2 1 we will add. 3 will become 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. Again 4 is less than 9. So we will count after 4 till 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 will be the answer. Clear? Now 5 plus 4 is 9 only. Clear children? After question number 2, our this exercise is completed and we will start today exercise 2B also. 2 questions we will do. So see the question. Solve these word problems. So word problem exercise 2B is word problem. You have to write the question and solution in your fair copy. So question number 1 is a factory produced 45,959 bulbs in a month and 76,530 bulbs in the second month. How many bulbs did the factory produce in 2 months? What does this question means? Let's see first. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि एक फैक्ट्री ने 45,959 बल्ब्स एक मंथ में प्रोड्यूस किए और 76,530 बल्ब्स दूसरे मंथ में प्रोड्यूस किए. नाउ हाउ मेनी बल्ब्स डिड द फैक्ट्री प्रोड्यूस्ड इन 2 मंथ. अब दोनों महीनों में मिला के फैक्ट्री ने कितने बल्ब प्रोड्यूस किए. सो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. सो चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी number of bulbs produced in a month. This NO dot is number. So this is the short form of number. You can also write NO dot. So in first month 45,959. Number of bulbs produced in second month 76,530. Now we will add these two number. 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 3 8, 9 plus 5 14. 1 carry we will give here. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carry 12. Again 1 carry. 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 carry 12. So 1,22,489 bulbs factory produced in 2 months is equal to 1,22,489 bulbs. Clear? Now let's see the second question. Second question is, Nitish sold a motorcycle for rupees 74,999. His friend Ramesh gives rupees 50,495 more to him for buying a second-hand car. Nitish paid the entire amount to the car owner. What is the cost of second-hand car? So let's see the meaning of this question first. नीतीश ने एक मोटरसाइकिल सोल्ड करी, बेची, कितने की? 74,999 की. अब उसके फ्रेंड रमेश ने उसको 50,495 रुपीज़ और दिए, इसमें मिलाने के लिए और दिए, जिससे कि वो एक सेकेंड हैंड कार खरीद सके. नाउ अब उसने कार ओनर को कितने अमाउंट नीतीश ने पे किए हैं, दैट यू हैव टू टेक आउट. सो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ सेकेंड हैंड कार? So let's see the solution. Nitish sold a motorcycle rupees 74,999. Ramesh gave more to Nitish for buying a second hand car, that is rupees 50,495. So now let's add these two number. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 carry is 19. Again 1 carry. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carry 14. 4 plus 1 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Clear? So rupees 1,25,494 is the total amount of the second hand car. So the answer is, the cost of second hand car is rupees 1,25,494. Now children, your homework is, you have to learn the table of 17 and 18. Again I am saying the homework, you have to learn the table of 17 and 18. Only you have to learn it. Clear? Have a nice day. Thank you.